Are you guys really getting tired of signing to the forum, bloggers, and websites to read even a small article, or can say to see some hidden content or to download any kind of file? With the fear of getting spam and keeping your privacy on the unsafe side by sharing your personal data. So, hi guys, this is Abhishek Kumar from FlickDude. In this video, I will tell you guys about disposable temporary email that's really going to suck all your issues by keeping you on a safe side. So if you guys who don't know what is disposable temporary email, actually uh, disposable email is a service that allow you to receive email at a temporary address that's self-destructed after a certain time elapse. It's automatically get deleted or can say get disappear after some time. It is also known by the names like Temp mail or 10-minute mail, throwaway mail, fake mail or trash mail. Many forums, Wi-Fi owners and websites and blogs ask the visitor to register before they can view any content or post any comment or can say download anything. So Temp mail is the most advanced email services that help you to avoid spam and keep you on a safe side. So let's start and check it out. How does it works? Simply open your favorite browser, Chrome in my case. It could be any website. So I am giving you an example. Just type project Cerberus. It is just an example. After opening this page, now you guys can see it's asking for the login if you have an account with this website, and if you don't have an account, you have to register it before doing any kind of stuff with this website. And if you click on download, it adds to us to the download page, and now you can see a message over there. You must register an account before you can post download files and see other advanced feature or content. So if you try to download this file, it's asking for the registration. So click on register. Okay, fine, I accept. So here we go. Type 10minutemail.net. This is a website which is going to provide you a temporary, you can say, disposable mail. So after opening this page, the few things I want to tell you guys, showing the countdown, so it's valid for only 10 minutes. So here is our email ID. So simply control C, or if you are, you can also copy for with the clipboard. And other more features is refresh this page, give me 10 more minutes, got another email address, current email will expire. So simply head to the registration page and type whatever the name you want, and password let's it be 124578, and again 124578, and simply paste the temporary or disposable mail over there and click on I am not a robot. Okay, fine. Click on Jan, like it's going to be a normal thing. So simply click on complete registration. Now you guys can see thank you and SHGSJ whatever the name you fill, and so finally our registration is completed and now we can download the file. So simply go and download and type here project Cerberus. Click on project Cerberus and doing the same thing to show you just now it's going to download, give you the download link. So when you click, now you guys can see you can download the file right now. So this is how it works. And one more thing I want to tell you guys, while registration, if any websites ask you to verify through a registration page or can say through mail service, simply head to the 10minutemails.net and click on refresh this page. Now after refreshing this page, you guys can see, you guys will see the mail sent by that particular website. It will be in the inbox. So simply click on that mail, and after opening that mail, you guys now can verify whatever he is asking for. So you can verify by clicking just on a link, or you can verify with the code. So that's all for this video. And so if you guys want to make a permanent Gmail ID with Google without sharing your any kind of information like a phone number or any kind of email, so stay tuned for that thing I will explain in the next video. And I hope you guys are liking my videos. You please like, share and subscribe this channel. Thanks a lot for watching this video. Have a nice day.